Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends.
Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Sandile.
Stibo. I know we see some of the fancy Pirates.
Yes.
But it's a calculator.
Yes.
They are counting if we can win, if we can. You know, but in Buku, I will keep my time.
Yeah.
So I told you, Stibo, first thing first, Guti, all the best, go to World Cup.
Yes.
And the first person, remember in Bombela, I told you this, my guy, you are going there. My words are, go there and represent all of us.
Yes.
All of us with you. Sioba proud.
Well represented.
Well represented, and we are going to be proud.
Thank you, my brother.
We are going back to Bombela.
Yes.
Where miracles are going to happen.
Always.
Football can kill you.
A real death.
Real death. I'm a first on the TV to welcome.